So is the new Fenty Icon liquid lipstick in the color MVP worth all the hype? Stick around. I'm going to give you the 3 things I love and the 3 things I hate about the new Fenty Icon MVP. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to decide whether it's right or not for you. So this lipstick has been making some serious waves in the beauty community. It has some wonderful pros and it has some serious cons. I am excited to share with you my honest thoughts on the best and worst parts of this new lipstick. So let's start with the good. The texture is velvety. I mean, it is so smooth and luxurious, like really luxurious. It feels better than any red lip I have ever owned. The application is effortless. It glides on so smoothly, like a dream. The pigmentation is deep and bold. It is perfect for a standout look. Now, as awesome as all of that sounds, I cannot ignore the downsides. So let's talk about them. For one, it has a tendency to smear a lot. And that can be frustrating if you're looking for a color that stays put. I'm not talking about bleeding, like it doesn't bleed out of the lines. It smears. So like if you're wearing a color that's light and you have a collar, you'd better be careful with this. The formula, it just seems to never fully dry down, which is good and bad. So your lips feel moisturized the entire time you're wearing this, but you have to be careful with it. The color can change over time. So what I found was that after wearing it for like 2 hours, I looked at it again and it looked a little different. So the color wasn't as vibrant or as luscious and red as it was when I initially applied it. The color was still beautiful, but the color was a bit different. Finally, the first day I wore the lip color, I didn't eat or drink anything for many, many hours, and it stayed put. But again, the color just looked a little different. But on the days that I wore it where I drank out of a glass or even out of a straw, I had to reapply it. So the color does not stay on the entire day in the same color that you apply that morning. So if you plan on drinking out of a straw or out of a glass, bring the color with you because you'll need to reapply. So is it worth your money? I say yes. I have tested a number of red lip colors and this has by far been the best color, the best feel. It is worth the hype. The color is too brilliant to pass up on this. Just be cautious on what you brush up against and understand that you will have to reapply throughout the day. So that's it, beautiful. Please give this video a thumbs up if it brought some value to you. Leave me a comment. Are you a fan of Fenty products? What are your favorites? If you've had this experience with this lip color or another lip color and you've figured out how to make it stay put, you've figured out how to make it not smudge on your clothes, on your collars, on wherever you're brushing up against, leave a comment and let me know what you've done. I need your secret. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, be sure to subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will be praying for you, and I'll see you soon.